Alright guys, we're now live, 7:08 p.m. running this with Justin, Mini Powder Blue. Mini Powder Blue, pick one, we are live. We are live. 7:08 p.m. 7:08 p.m. Grab a list. 16 spots. Alright, we got 16 spots, just double checking here. 16 at 150, alright. We are going to drop that into random. 16 entries, Doug on the bottom, John Teglia up on top. Alright, we'll roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 7, good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times. Dice show the 7. Next click, top spot wins. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to John Teglia. Spot number 9. You are the winner. Get in touch with Justin. He will get that out to you. We are done 7:09 p.m. We'll go back. We will type done. We are done. 7:09. 7:09. Here is the verification and timestamp.